Sasauri of Trust My Luck. Gets away immediately. Magic in the air in second. Camellia. Red Lakota. Artistic Star. Daang Bakal. Peace needed alongside comes 8-8. That's Hyper Velocity. Peace needed. Senorita Root. Third last. Second last. Babes Magic. And Dixie Wind is the early trailer. Let it still Trust My Luck by a length. Magic in the air in second. Camellia in third. Red Lakota now in fourth. And in fifth comes Daang Bakal. Artistic Star in 6-7. Senorita Root. Peace needed. Yani Noyana. Hyper Velocity. Then followed by Babes Magic and Dixie Wind. Let it still Trust My Luck by a length. Red Lakota now moving up on the outside to take second. Camellia draws back in third. Magic in the air. Senorita Root in fifth. And in sixth comes Artistic Star with Trust My Luck. Once again, back to two lengths lead. Red Lakota still in second. Camellia in third. And followed by Magic in the air. Running by the Senorita Ruta. As the bills turn for home. With Trust My Luck by about 2.5 lengths. Red Lakota is on the outside second. Camellia. Trust My Luck. Red Lakota, Camellia. Entering the finish line. I trust you, JTZ on Trust My Luck. Second. Red Lakota, Camellia, Peace needed, Yani Noyana, Magic in the air, Artistic Star.
Okay, para dito sa ating final race this evening, our unofficial winner. Banderang tapos yan. Trust My Luck, entry number 5 with JT Zarate. Masisegunto, 11 horse na si Red Lakota. Numero 6, Camellia, 3 horse Peace Needed. Numero 10 yan, Noyana, 11A. Tapos 9 para sa inyong Super 6 Artistic